From the students of the Department of Meteorology and Atmospheric Science, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good afternoon from the Penn State Campus Weather Service. I'm Hannah George. Happy Thursday, everyone. Here in State College, we're seeing a current temperature of about 59 degrees out there, so a little bit cooler than what the rest of this week has been like. But you can see we are also getting some beautiful fall foliage out there. Taking a look at the current report on that, you can see us here in Center County. We are at a really good spot right now. We are at that color that is starting to kind of fade, but you also have those really pretty colors out there. So this is really going to be your last best chance to go out there and get a taste of the fall foliage. Do some leaf peeping, whatever you would like. We're seeing current temperatures of about 59, like I mentioned here in State College. Across the state, you can see that is about average. A lot of places are in that cooler 50s range, but as much as it might feel cooler to us to have been experiencing these warmer temperatures, you can see the South is still getting those warmer temperatures. 59 for us here in State College, that's about average. Actually, a little bit cooler than average. Really, the only places seeing any sort of more than average is Philly and Allentown, places like that are a couple degrees above average, but really everyone else, we're starting to get into what true fall feels like here in Pennsylvania. But we will be seeing some warmer temperatures again later in the next work week. I'll talk about that a bit later. You can see across the country, places are still warmer. Like I showed you on that current conditions, you saw a lot of these places were still in that red zone. They're still a bit warmer, but we're starting to have a cold front that is coming off Lake Erie here that will affect us as we head into the weekend. So it'll be a cooler weekend, a more fall-like weekend. But on the bright side, taking a look at the radar right now, you can see not a lot going on out there for most of the eastern parts of the United States. Not a lot going on out there for the rest of Thursday heading into Friday. As we head into Friday night, that cold front will start to move in along with some clouds and along with a little bit of rain, some precipitation, but I think that's a warm welcome considering that's really going to be most of the precipitation we will see the rest of October. It's been a bit of a dry month for sure, especially here in State College. You can see taking a look a bit into the future, not a lot going on still, and that's because of a big high pressure system that is currently taking over much of the eastern parts of the United States. You can see not really many clouds, definitely not any precipitation. Taking a look here at a pressure tracker, you can see all this blue, that's high pressure, and it is definitely consuming most of the eastern parts of the United States. Like I mentioned, you can see how that blue is really taking over here, and sorry, but that means no rain for you guys. You saw there for a brief moment on Friday that patch cleared up, and that is when we'll likely be seeing some precipitation due to Lake Erie. Thanks for that. But like I mentioned, precipitation, clouds, cooler. I know it's not the most fun to talk about, but like I said, by the end of next week, we will be seeing those warmer temperatures again, 6 to 10 day temperature outlook here. You can see that brown, that means we're going to, in that red, that means we're going to be getting warmer again. But for now, we're going to have to deal with some cooler temperatures. A high of about 60 degrees today, but it will be sunny out there at least, which is always nice to have. And tonight we'll be seeing a low of 34. I know a bit lower, and there will be some frost. That frost will continue as we head into the weekend and all the way through Monday. Tomorrow a high of 62, so a tiny bit warmer. Some clouds out there, but mostly sunny still. Taking a look at your 7-day forecast here, you can see that 60 and 62, like I mentioned, today and tomorrow. Saturday, a high of 60 degrees. Sunday, 56. Monday, 58. So yeah, we're going to get a bit cooler, but guys, you got to get used to that at some point. Tuesday, that high of 64. And the big reveal, a high of 74 on Wednesday. So we will be warming up again, like I mentioned. You know, this isn't the end of the warmer temperatures. It's definitely been a bit of a weird October here. I know people are saying October with an AUG as if it's August again, which it does feel like sometimes. You know, we're not used to these warmer temperatures this time of year, but you know, we're going to get some coolness. If you're into the cool weather, perfect time to do some fall activities. If you're into the warmer, I'd say wait till next week. That's all for me once again. I'm Hannah George for CNET. Have a great day.